How to connect Gamepad to Bluestacks 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to easily connect your gamepad or controller to Bluestacks 5 and play your favorite mobile games with console-like controls. Whether using a wired or wireless controller, this tutorial has you covered. So let's get started. Step 1. Connect the gamepad. First, connect your gamepad to your computer. If you have a wired controller, just plug it into a USB port. For wireless controllers like the Xbox One, turn on Bluetooth on your PC, hold the sync button on your controller and pair it from your system settings. Once connected, your controller should light up. Step 2. Launch Bluestacks. Now, open Bluestacks 5. Make sure your controller is already connected before launching the app. If everything is working, you will see a gamepad icon appear at the bottom of the Bluestacks window. Step 3. Test with a game. Open a game that supports gamepad input, like Call of Duty or Minecraft. Try moving around or pressing the buttons to see if the controls respond. If it works right away, great, you're ready to play. Step 4. Adjust or map controls. If your game doesn't recognize the controller automatically, don't worry. Click on the keyboard icon on the right side of Bluestacks, then go to the Gamepad tab and make sure gamepad controls are enabled. You can even map buttons manually using the Advanced Game Controls panel. It's super customizable. Optional tips. Still not working? Try restarting Bluestacks after plugging in your gamepad or switch USB ports. And don't forget to check if your controller drivers are updated, especially for generic brands. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to connect your gamepad to Bluestacks 5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.